Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today I will tell you how to make that damn good 3D text with that red textures in Alightmotion or Aftermotion like to 4K John. So let's start. First, just add the text you want to make it 3D like this. Then use this font or you can use whatever you want, but it should be Gothic style. So I will choose this. Just make it a white color, solid. Scale it up. It's good. Then just add a text effect called text spacing. Space it a little until it looks good. It's good. Then then add that 3D raster transformation, 3D extrude point light. This, and just go to the intensity, increase intensity, and then make the orientation like this, like what I am doing. See, here you can see like so many lines. To reduce it, just go here and increase the precision, just this. Then do what I am doing. Yeah, increase the depth a little bit to give that 3D look. Yeah, now it's looking good. Yes, and for the intensity I guess it's very much, so let's decrease it to 100. Yeah, now it's good. Make the shine according to you, how much you like, etc. And then specularity, increase it to give that whitish look. Then next thing, add fractal wrap, or like, let's first try fractal wrap. Let's see if it looks good or not. It's looking good. And scale down a little bit to give that textury look. Yeah, that's good. Now let's add a color effect to give it a color. What about this? Will this help? I guess this will help. Let's just change the phase. From blue to yellow. Not yellow. Black. Nah, not black. Let's reset this and use it over the turbulence effect. Now let's use it how it's looking. Let's make it white. Yeah, now it's giving us some another things. So let's just change the effect. We need to like make the green black and blue red and red yellow. Oh damn, we got it. Now just squeeze it a little to make it more shinier. Increase saturation or decrease it. No, decreasing isn't good looking. Yeah, this is good looking. Just change the phase a little to make it. Oh damn, see, we made it. See, it's looking nice. Then just after this, like just make it a little longer. And sorry if it's boring, I will cut the boring parts. And like it's, let me see, little more. Yes, this is good. Now we just have to make it little like add scale animations. Normal, I think it's good, and then like scale it down a little. Yeah, and the graph should look like this. Let's see. Yes, not yes. Now it's looking good. And for the movement part, let's make it like this. Now use the same graph but change it a little, so it's like makes a little variation. Yeah. Now we can do like add the effects called bend. Just like this, and make it like copy me. Just do this, add the curve, duplicate it, and make it left, and in place of 125 make it minus 125. Just we made it. I guess we have to add the motion blur to make it better. I guess this is good, and if it's not, you can just make one more thing in the orientation part, just from this. Make it like this. Yeah, it's looking good. And one more thing you can do is just turbulence evolution, and like little evolute it. Yeah, it's looking good. Then just add what we call that, yeah, deep glow, and make the glow 100. This is good. And threshold, make it just for the yellow part, I guess. Let me think once again. Yeah, it's like, now it's good. Then duplicate it and increase the blurriness, like what, yeah, this much is good. And in the glue bands settings, make it red color and turn it on, and alpha blend this and increase the glow like this. And at the last, add a soft glow, or what do we call it? Where is that? Light glow? No, where is soft glow? Yes, soft glow. And it looks shit, I don't know why, but it looks very shit. Increase the diffusion, blend it fully to red, pure red. And outer glow, what the father. Okay, just add one more deep glow and increase it. Like, if it's good. Yeah, it is. Then at the end, what the father. Wait, I have to change it. Yeah. Let's look good. It looks good. And yeah, in the starting, just make it like little that fade in animation. What the hell is this? Like till here. How is this? Tell me in the comments. And if it's not good, I am really sorry. I tried my best to give it that effect. I guess it looks tough. I don't know why. And yeah, one more thing I want to know that should I make raw tutorials like no editing, no cutting, or you want like best things in like minimal time? If that, then you can tell me easily in the comments. And yeah, give me some suggestions to make it and for the preset, just 700 likes, because I know you don't want to make it from tutorial, but I want you to make it from the tutorial. So I'll just make a good number of likes for the like target, and I know you will not complete it. So yeah, it's made, I guess. It looks good. So yeah, give me ideas for the next tutorial. Till then, take care and bye bye.